Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nature's Creature. Today's video is about crows. But before starting the video, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Members of genus Corvus can be found on every continent except Antarctica and South America. To date, scientists have named 40 species. Some of them are referred to as ravens while others are called crows, rooks, or jackdaws. Historically, the name raven has been given to several of the big-bodied corvus birds with shaggy feathers on their neck. Mid-sized members of the genus are usually called crows, while the very smallest species go by the name jackdaws. There are also a large beak outliner known as the rooks, which was named after the unusual sound it makes. Like a lot of intelligent animals, most crows are quite social. For instance, American crows spend most of the year living in pairs or small family groups. During the winter months, they'll congregate with hundreds or even thousands of their peers to sleep together at night in sprawling communal unit called a roost. An interesting thing about crows is that when a crow dies, its neighbors may have a funeral. The sight of a dead crow tends to attract a mob of hundreds or more live ones. During this ritual, the live crows almost never touch the dead one, which rules scavenging out as a motive. Some studies suggest that the mass gathering is a part of survival strategy. The birds are learning about threats and seems hesitant to revisit any spot where they have encountered a dead crow, even if food is plentiful there. As studies prove that crows are so smart and so good at improvising that some zoologists admiringly call them feathered apes. The New Caledonian crow has a brain that weighs just 0.26 ounces, but relative to its body size, that brain is huge, accounting for 2.7% of birds' overall weight. By comparison, an adult human 3-pound brain represents 1.9% of their body weight. Of all the living birds, crows, ravens, and parrots have the biggest brain-to-body size ratios. Crows generally stay with the same mate throughout their whole life, but they are not always entirely faithful. They sometimes mate with other crows. Crows can remember the faces of individual humans. They can also hold a grudge. They can communicate with other crows if they perceive a particular human as dangerous. Crows are omnivores and they don't seem to be picky eaters. Their diet includes fruits, mice, frogs, and carrots. So guys, this was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed the unique features of crows.